Are you struggling to make product demos? Not a fan of editing them either? Don't worry. We introduce to you Guidejar. Effortlessly create step-by-step guides, interactive product demos, and so much more. Just install the Chrome extension, and you are good to go. Click Start Capture. Walk through your demo normally, and Guidejar will record every step from your screen. We provide an automatic text descriptions for every click to describe your demo easily, and surely you can edit them as you like. And unlike any other editing tools, we offer unique editing options to make your demos stand out. Moving marker around, add tips and alerts, continue recording from any step, and more. With Guidejar, effortlessly copy and paste repetitive steps across multiple guides. Just select the steps you want to copy from your guide and press Command C. Then go to the desired guide and click on the step after which you want the copied steps to be pasted. Press Command V and you are done. Build a no-code help center in seconds. With just few clicks and without writing any code, you can add your guides and have your help center ready in no time. Organize all your guides under one roof effortlessly, empowering your customers to find answers independently and lightening the load on your support team. Ever wanted your guides to be private? We got you. With Guidejar, you can keep your guides link protected and secure. Just choose Password Protected option, then enter your password. Your guides link is now secure to share. Embed your guides on any website. Click Preview Embed button and watch how your guide will look like on your website. You can also translate and add voiceover to your guides. Try Guidejar today and take your guides to the next level.